Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, World Indoor 60-meter bronze medalist Ackeem Blake and Olympic sprint double silver medalist Yohan Blake were the standout athletes in the senior section of the GC Foster Classic on Saturday. Denise Waters reports.
Ackeem Blake of Dynamic Speed Track Club won his 200 meters in a personal best 20.20 seconds, ahead of Commonwealth Games silver medalist Zarnell Hughes of Racers, who posted 20.41. Blake's teammate Sanjay Davis was a third in 20.77. Former national champion Yohan Blake of Dynamic won his 200 meters in a season's best 20.98 seconds, ahead of GC Foster's Jaheim Diosi and Dynamic trading partner Ashani Segri. In the women's equivalent, world champs relay silver medalist Jura Levy clocked 24.09 to get the better of Olympian Cheyenne Salmon and St. Lucian Hannah Charles. Former KC standout Adrian Carr won the men's 100 meters, posting 10.32 seconds to get the better of his motorcade teammate Keyshawn Thomas and GC Foster's Jay Switto. Anguilla and Tritania Lowe of GC Foster won the women's equivalent in a personal best 11.67 seconds. Home and Technicals' Kiara Miklo was second, while MVP's Paris Summer King of Great Britain was a third. GC Foster's Kimani Fletcher won the men's 60 meters in a personal best 6.64 seconds, besting Sprintex Dane McPherson and Monroe College's McCoy Curtis. Sprintex Jodine Williams won the women's 60 meters, easily overpowering a small field, clocking a wind-aided 7.09 to win, ahead of GC Foster's Mikhail Moody, who was second, while sprint hurdler Yannick Thompson hobbled across the line in third. World University Games 100 meters champion Kadrian Goldston of Sprintech won his 400 meter heat in 48.02, getting the better of Homo Technicals' Azarius Mullings and Micah's Marcus Hutchinson. Kennedy Lashembe of Zambia ran the fastest 400 meters in 47.09, winning ahead of his countryman and racer's teammate Patrick Nyambe, with the Dynamics Kemar Davis a third. World champs mile relay medalist Renisha McGregor of UA was the fastest of the women in 53.05, beating out the MVP pair of Kellyanne Beckford and Jazeel Shaw, and that's in the 400 meters. Denick Luke of Racers won the men's 400 meter hurdles, ahead of the GC pair of Shaquille Gordon and Tayshawn Berry. UA's Amelia Rose Bridge Good won the women's equivalent ahead of GC's Amelia Jeffrey and Landell K. Hibbert of Homewood. Lamaria Wright got the better of the racers pair of Nathaniel Wallace and Kavil Harriet to land the men's 800 meters. GC's Shanika Anderson had the measure of Micah's Sadiq Slowly and Sarah Alcindor of Sam Sharp's Teachers College in the women's 800 meters. And over in the field, Sweps Emmanuel Archibald won the men's long jump ahead of Sprintex Sean D. Thompson and Leonard Bote of Bethlehem Moravian College. And Lowe, along with winning the 100 meters, also won the women's long jump ahead of St. Jacob's Jaden Dawkins and teammate Sashel Walters. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.